Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make wheatgrass juice. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates. Without any further delay, let's get started. Take scissors and cut the wheatgrass just 1 inch above the soil. You can see that the grass has started to divide. This stage is called as splitting, and it means that the grass is ready to use. I'm cutting the grass into smaller pieces to make it easy to blend. Now I'm washing the wheatgrass. Put the wheatgrass in a blender. Let's add some water and then blend it. Take a juice strainer and filter the juice into a glass. We can see that there is a lot of fiber in the juice, so you must filter it before drinking. I like to add some honey in this. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and give it a good mix. You can have this juice in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Wheatgrass juice is very good for skin and hair. It can eliminate toxins from the body and purifies the blood. It helps with digestion. It can lower cholesterol and also boost the immune system. If you find this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for latest video updates.